Kolabtree Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's review of Kolabtree, a specialized online platform for freelance scientists and researchers. Links to the platform are in the description below. Kolabtree is unique in that it focuses on providing high-level expertise for research and scientific projects, making it the go-to platform for professionals in fields such as biotech, life sciences, engineering, and medical research. Kolabtree allows businesses and individuals to find top-tier freelance scientists for tasks ranging from data analysis, technical writing, and project management, to research consulting, product development, and more. Whether you're an academic looking for research assistance, a company needing a technical expert, or a freelancer offering specialized services, this platform is built for professionals in these niche fields. The process to get started on Kolabtree is quite simple. Freelancers create a detailed profile highlighting their qualifications, experience, and areas of expertise. And businesses can browse through these profiles to find the right fit for their project. Unlike other freelance platforms, Kolabtree operates on a project-based fee model, which means you and your client can agree on a fixed price for a specific project rather than hourly rates. This makes it great for people who prefer to work on well-defined projects rather than open-ended contracts. For businesses, Kolabtree offers an easy way to connect with highly qualified professionals. The platform's built-in messaging system allows both freelancers and clients to discuss project details before starting. They also offer confidentiality agreements, which can be essential for sensitive scientific work. However, Kolabtree's fees may be higher than other platforms, reflecting the high level of expertise required. Freelancers also face some competition, as the platform caters to professionals who are highly skilled in their fields. But this also means the quality of work is generally high. In conclusion, Kolabtree is an excellent choice for professionals looking for high-caliber, specialized remote work, or companies needing expert freelancers for science or research projects. If you're a scientist, researcher, or technical expert looking for projects that align with your skill set, Kolabtree is worth checking out. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more platform reviews.